Good morning. Just getting ready to start my Saturday morning call for my clients in my Empower community, and was doing some meditation. And one thing that I noticed that couldn't help but catch my attention was the knocking of an old fridge that we have that's starting to reach the end here. And typically, the knocking is something that I try to tune out so that I can pay attention to an email I'm reading or a video I'm listening to. But this morning, as I'm getting into meditation, I was looking for kind of something to pull me into the moment. Usually I go to my breath or I listen for a distant sound, but this morning I decided to tune into the knocking of the fridge, kind of like a mantra. You know, there are some meditation practices where you repeat a mantra over and over again. Well, I decided to pick the fridge. And suddenly the relationship I had to it changed. You know, it was no longer something I was trying to tune out. It was something that I was using to ground myself. And the more I looked at it in that way, the more I gained an appreciation for it. And my resistance of it just kind of went poof. You know, that's one of the beauties of using just about anything in your environment, from a smell to a sound to something you're seeing. Something that previously you might have decided was a threat somehow, needed to be resisted, can suddenly become an ally, an asset, a teacher of some kind. So I just wanted to share that with you before I jump on the call. I hope it's useful to you. Always feel free to ask me questions. I'm here to help. And till we talk again, thanks for being you.